What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Before you get started, hit the subscribe, turn the notification, give us a huge thumbs up. Today, me and my brother are gonna make, I'm gonna make white chocolate cornflakes and my brother's gonna make milk chocolate cocoa puffs. So yeah, so the first ingredient, first thing that we need to put all the, we're gonna have 6 each. And then we're gonna
so what do we have to
chocolate.
do? So should we put, let's put,
chocolate.
so open this. Shall I open it? I'll open it. You're gonna make a mess.
There.
You put it in. You can put it in, I'll open it.
Which bowl should I put it in?
In the black bowl. Go on.
I think this.
Go on.
Is that enough?
I don't know. Put a little bit more in.
More.
A little bit more. A little bit more. That's it. That's it, go on. Slowly, Seth.
The pack is falling.
Is it falling? Shall I help you? Shall I help you? You opened it all up. Oh, wow. Okay. So you got your Rice Krispies and you got your chocolate. And you've got your cornflakes and you got your chocolate. Which chocolate are you using?
My chocolate.
Show us. And say which one are you using?
Chocolate.
Milk chocolate. So what do we have to do first?
Now, first we need to melt the chocolate.
Melt the chocolates. So should we melt the chocolate?
Yeah.
So what you do, open this and break the chocolate up and put it in there. Yeah, crush all of it.
It's so hard. You see that?
Alright, Sophie, you break it.
I can't open it.
You can't open it. Come on. Mickey Mouse.
I just ate that.
You're supposed to do that.
See that? I can't open it.
Shall I open it for you?
They're broken off.
Shall I open it for you?
It's broken off from the prison. It's
Okay.
broken off.
Yeah, break it all up and put it in the bowl.
I like these. No, I'm going to
Let me see. You have to break them all up. Single pieces.
I need help. I'm eating only this.
Oh, you eat one, go on.
I'm taking this one. That's me.
Okay, that's it.
Because now we're gonna heat the chocolate up in
And
the
then-
oven. And cold water and heat it up so that it can melt. And again, I'm gonna do that.
You can do it as well. Slowly.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna put it on, okay? And we're gonna wait for it to melt. Is it melting?
No.
Not yet.
Melting. Only a little bit. Mine's not melting now.
It's not melting yet.
Mine's melting more than yours. Not that much. I got mine. Mine's melting.
Let me see yours. It's not melted yet.
Yeah, it has. I'm just mixing it, but it's really hard. Look.
So if yours is finished.
There's a little bit of globs. There's a little
No,
bit of
it's hot.
globs. There's a little bit of globs, so
Yeah, not yet. Yours is lumpy at the moment.
I'm mixing it. So now my dad is gonna take the chocolate.
This is hot. Okay, don't touch it yet. I'm gonna leave it for another bowl for you.
Don't touch the chocolate. It's cold now.
That's it.
Now we're just putting
Use a spoon, Aya.
the spoon.
That one. And then you're gonna mix. Yeah.
I'm getting the spatula. I'm just gonna do this.
You use a spoon. Yeah, okay, that's easier. There you are.
I'm getting the spatula.
Well done.
Carefully.
Now
Hmm.
you have to mix it now.
Can I eat all of this?
Yeah, go on.
Wait,
Tell me
mine
what it
might
tastes like.
break. Is it okay if mine breaks?
Yeah, it's okay if it breaks. You have to mix it so that all the chocolate goes.
I don't have enough chocolate.
You do. The chocolate's at the bottom for you.
Hmm.
Shall I help you?
Just mash it up to the bottom. That's not much eating it!
Stop eating it. Look, so if you move it like this, so all the chocolate at the bottom. Can you see? All the chocolate's at the bottom. See? See? It tastes nice. Huh?
Tastes so nice. Mine is ready, mine's ready. Is this supposed to be cold?
So what you have to do is, whose lollipop is this?
Mine.
So what you have to do is, find out what we have. That's it. But use this, look, I'll show you. See, use this. No, use this, Steffi. Look, use this. Then you get, look, like this,
So
look.
why do you give up the spoon?
You do that. No, I'll show you, look, like this. Like that. See? Did you see it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mine is more flat than his. So how am I supposed to scoop? Mine is neater than yours. I just crush some of it.
Well done.
So yummy.
So these are Steffi's.
Would you?
And these are Aya's.
Would you? You the shot. So the shot. You the shot. So now we're gonna take the tray and put it in the fridge, and then once it's ready, we can eat them. Now we're gonna hold it like together, like. Okay, wait, bye. Bye.
Wait for Steffi.
Let me hold it.
Yeah, put it there. Go
Ma,
on.
I can't.
That's it there, put it there. Ready? That's it, done.
Done. Now we're gonna fold the little
And we're going to come back.
chocolate up. So now we're gonna get it out. I'm gonna eat it now.
Where are you going to put them?
Can you put sprinkles on?
You want to put sprinkles on? You should have put them on first. Leave it now.
No. I want to put sprinkles on.
Okay, why don't you try one?
I'm gonna try the least one. Yummy. Is it yummy?
Are they yummy?
Okay, yeah.
Can I try one?
Can I have
Let me
sprinkles?
try it.
Have
1
sprinkles on
minute.
it. Have sprinkles on it.
Mmm. They're very nice.
Now we're gonna. Thanks for watching. Bye. I hope you enjoyed this video. And we did this video because we haven't made a video in a long time. So we just